welcome to this tutorial on how to use the toolbars in Adobe Illustrator. In this video, we'll go over a few of the basic tools available and what they do. If you're new here, my name is Logan and I create graphic design tutorials. I'll also leave a link to my website where there's an Illustrator cheat sheet that you can download for free. If you haven't already, be sure to check out my last video where I go through how to set up your Illustrator document. I'm going to take the next few minutes simply introducing you to the name of each tool and its general purpose. I will demonstrate how to actually use the tools in future tutorials. Let's jump right in and get started. The selection tool is one of the most commonly used tools. It allows you to select objects on the artboard, allowing you to edit, move, and resize easily. The direct selection tool allows you to individually maneuver anchor points within an object. Notice the little triangle on the lower right-hand corner. This means there are additional tool options hidden within the selected tool. The Magic Wand tool lets you make selections based on color and tonal values. The Lasso tool allows you to make freehand selections and select specific areas of your art. This is the Pen tool. You use it to draw precise shapes and lines. I'm actually going to make an entire tutorial on the Pen tool in the future. The Curvature tool is a drawing tool that is used to create smooth curves and paths. The Type tool allows you to add text to your designs. The Line Segment tool is used to draw straight lines and line segments with precision. The Rectangle tool lets you quickly create rectangular shapes and squares. There are additional standard shape options within this tool. The Paintbrush tool helps you create freehand drawings and apply a variety of brush styles to create the characteristics you're looking for. The Shaper tool is a unique method of creating objects by drawing freehand shapes that instantly snap into place and can be merged or divided. The Eraser tool is for refining and editing artwork by selectively erasing unwanted areas. The Rotate tool is used to precisely rotate objects around a specific point or axis. The Scale tool helps you resize an object while still maintaining its proportions. The Width tool allows you to easily adjust the width of a stroke at any point along its path. The Free Transform tool allows flexibility to scale, rotate, shear, and distort objects. The Shape Builder tool is great for combining or dividing overlapping shapes. The Perspective Grid tool is used for manipulating objects to create perspective in your art. The Mesh tool is used to create complex and realistic shading and color gradients on your artwork. The Gradient tool is used to make smooth color transitions to add depth and dimension to your artwork. The Eyedropper tool is for sampling colors and applying it to other parts of your design. The Blend tool creates smooth transitions between two or more objects or colors. The Symbol Sprayer lets you apply multiple instances of your symbol and is best used for creating patterns, textures, and repeat elements. The Column Graph helps you visualize data with column charts and bar graphs. The Artboard tool is used to create, edit, and manage several artboards within your document. The Slice tool lets you divide your artwork into smaller sections. The Hand tool moves the entire view of the artboard without changing the position of the objects. Zoom is for adjusting the magnification of the artboard, allowing you to view small details or the entire artwork. The term fill is used to describe the interior color of an object, while stroke is considered the outline or the border of an object. And that's it for this tutorial on how to use toolbars in Adobe Illustrator. I hope this video has been helpful. Please be sure to like and subscribe below and leave a comment if there's any topic that you would like me to cover in future videos. Thanks for watching.